From deep within my secret laboratory, I will show you the forbidden arts of AI image generation. Hello my friends, how are you doing? Let's get started. Today we're going to steal, cheat, ignore the haters and create amazing art at the same time. So the first technique I'm going to show you I call image mashing. What you want to do is go to any kind of image source that you want to use. I would suggest to you start with the community feed of MidJourney, and there you select 2 or more pictures, and I would highly suggest that you search for images that have the equal or similar subject but different styles that you want to combine, because that makes it easier for the AI to understand what you actually want. So I have selected this image here and then also this image here. What we are going to do is to right click on the image and then copy image address. Then go to Discord into your chat with the MidJourney bot and write /im and select imagine, of course, and there you post in the first of the image links. Then go back to the second image and repeat that. Right click on the image, copy image address, go to Discord and then also paste that in here. You can use it as it is, but at the end of it write --v space 4 for version 4, unless you have already set that up in your settings. And when you do that, you might get results that look like this. We have the setup of the portrait, but the style of the other image. Now this right now with just the image links leaves a lot of guesswork to the AI. So here is another suggestion. Go back to the MidJourney image and from the second image, copy the style elements of the prompt. So in this case, we copy the complete prompt, but we delete all the parts that describe the woman in the image. And with this description, you get an image that is like this and comes closer from the style to the image we want to have. You can see some come out where they look similar and they also of course have the same composition. What you can also do is take the descriptive part of the first image. So here we have a stunning woman that resembles a blonde Nana Komatsu and Lisa from Blackpink. We will copy that at the start of our prompt and then write the style elements at the end of the prompt. So you can see an example here of how I have phrased this. At the end again --v space 4, and you can see that we get images like this that have a closer resemblance to the original portrait but also more of the style in it. We get some really beautiful results. Alternatively, what you can also do is to take the same technique but write the style a little bit different. In this case, I took the same start of the prompt, but then I wrote drip painting black and white color on brown paper, and I got results like this or this. Now the huge benefit of this trick is that you already define what you want to have as an output from the composition of the image and the artistic style. Here we have an output that has been created by just combining the prompts without using the image links. And while these are results also beautiful, you can see that they are very different and also sometimes have a very different composition. And when you want to have specific artistic styles, like for example with this image here, it is really helpful to have image sources that already have the style in them. In this case, I used images from the site FreePic with the skull ink sketch designs. Now for the second trick today, I have something really amazing for you. This is from OpenAI. You can sign up to them. Usually you should get a free trial that is worth $18. And because we are only creating text here, this doesn't cost much. So you can create a lot of text prompts with this technique. The design of the page is rather confusing when you first arrive here because there's all these colorful buttons, but they will not lead you to the AI. Instead, what you need to do is to click up here on Playground. When you have done this, you are in this window here. You can leave the settings on the right as they are. And here in the middle field, you describe to the AI what you want to have. And you can set this up in all kinds of different ways. So rephrase this to your needs and to the outcome that you require. You can ask the AI to create multiple prompt suggestions for you, and I would absolutely suggest you do that so you have a choice. In my case, I gave the AI the command to create 4 prompts for MidJourney AI that are highly detailed, add style and artistic terms, and describe the scene in minute detail, including the camera angle, the artistic style, the light setting, and mood of the image. Then I put a colon, and then in the next line I put input prompt colon, and there I can write my prompt I want to have. So let's, for example, say we want to have a chrome cyborg warrior in an apocalyptic town. Click down here on submit, and as you will see, this will automatically write for you out these prompts. Now the AI will come up with a lot of scenery and details that you didn't think about, but that is the beauty of it, because this can spark creativity and also come up with very beautiful scene descriptions. Let's read the first prompt. The camera is positioned at ground level, looking up at the chrome cyborg warrior as he towers above the apocalyptic town. The town is in ruins, with buildings crumbling and fires burning. The sky is red and orange with a hint of green, and the light is dim. The cyborg's face is expressionless and his body is tense, ready to battle. Wow, that sounds really good. So let's copy this over into MidJourney to see what we get. Here we have the results, and I would say we got some pretty cool stuff in here. Now you can of course change the prompt to set it up with the style that you want. Maybe you want it to have it in a 3D look, photorealistic, things like that. This is more like a comic style, but you can see absolutely beautiful output. If you want to input the next prompt, what you want to do is down here, click on the undo last button. This will remove the suggestion. So let's go next for a Christmas baby Yoda. The AI is again doing its magic, coming up with some pretty long prompts here. Oh, look at that cute baby Yoda with the Christmas tree in the presents. It's just magical. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.